Today I'm going to show you how I got 200 subscribers in just a day. This is one of the oldest tricks yet effective, and it still works today. Some of you might know this trick, but many of you still don't. Let's go to my computer screen and I'll show you what I exactly did and how I got it. I'll explain everything in detail with proof and illustrations. Here, in my channel analytics, in the subscribers tab, you can see that I got only 129 subscribers on the 8th of March. This is what I normally get if I upload a video on a particular day. Otherwise it is even less than that if there is no video uploaded. But you can see that the subscribers have risen from an average of 100s to 207 on the 9th of March, and the good thing is that there was no video uploaded. Now, I'm going to tell you how I did that and how you can do it, but before that you might have noticed some decrease in the number of subscribers the day after, even when a new video was posted. I have a reason for that, and I'll tell you soon, but first let's know what the trick actually is. Okay, so the trick that I applied is the subscribe link trick. Some of you might have noticed that I have started posting a link that says don't click this link in the description. What we are actually doing here is that we are creating a subscribe prompt link, so whenever a person clicks this link, he or she will be taken to a screen where they are prompted to subscribe. Some may still not subscribe, but many of us do subscribe. Now, why this trick works and how do we get people to click on the link? Well, it's simple. You have noticed that I wrote, "Don't click this link." This sentence itself has suspense built in. We as humans are curious to do something that is told us not to do, so sentences like, "Don't click this link," will certainly make us curious about what's inside the link, and we surely tend to click the link. Now, once we click the link, we are prompted to subscribe, and mostly out of generosity we do subscribe. If not, it still works as a reminder for them to subscribe for the solid content that you gave them. Now I'll tell you how you can create this link, but before that, let me tell you the reason why the subscribers were decreased right after applying the trick. Actually, I was trying and testing this trick if it really matters, so I took away the don't click links from some of my top performing videos. And this was the result. I only got 171 subscribers. Let me show you the proof. So when we go to our views tab, you can see that we got 20,232 views on the 8th of March. The number of subscribers was normal, as we usually get after posting a video, but on the 10th of March, we only got 19,718 views, and remember that we didn't even upload a video that day, but we were able to get 207 subscribers. Now on the 11th of March, we got 19,718 views, which are still more than 19,108, but we only got 171 subscribers that day because I was testing on the trick. So I came to the conclusion that this trick really matters and has brought a lot of positive change in subscriber number in my channel. Now, let's learn how to create a subscribe link. This is very simple. All you gotta do is to go to your channel page and copy the URL of your website. And then you'll have to add !sub_confirmation is equal to 1 to the end of it. I'll quickly do it and show you my notes here. So I have added the additional lines right after my channel link. You can see that we got a prompt to subscribe from this link. You can also copy the channel ID from the settings and click Advanced Setting. You can copy the ID from here and then add it after youtube.com/ and finally add !sub_confirmation is equal to 1. You can use this method to copy your channel URL if you are on a mobile device. You can paste the link in your video description and see the change. Now, I cannot guarantee you that you will get 200 subscribers a day, but I can assure you that this trick will help you in the long run. It's always better to do something and get a small benefit out of it than nothing at all. Hope this trick goes well with you. Do subscribe if you think I deserve it. More videos on how to grow your YouTube channel coming on the way. Till then, check out these legit videos. Thanks for watching.